Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out the Ventaline 30,000 mAh power bank. This is for like heated vests and jackets and things like that, or you can just use it for if you're going camping, hiking. You can power up your phones with this. So pretty heavy duty here. 30,000 is a lot. So for example, my phone is about 4,000 mAh. So oh my goodness. I was like, what is holding that in there? So it's about this little bit smaller than my Samsung, a little bit thicker. All right, so we have this heavy duty. We have a power button right there. It says a full charge on there, indicator, the lights. The input to charge it up, we have a USB-C, output USB-A, and little adapter right here. So I do have a couple of heated clothings. That can go there, or I have an adapter too. So it comes with a little USB-A to USB-C cord. Kind of a short one. Don't really need a long one. It's just going in your pocket, usually of your heated vest. So let's go ahead and try to charge up my phone. I know it is already on 100%, unfortunately. Let's see if it's going to give me the little charge symbol, though. All right. It's at 100%. So I was trying to drain the battery. Right, naturally, when you're trying to drain the battery, it's never gonna go down. It's usually how it works. Okay, so anyways, while I'm kind of waiting for that to go down a little bit, I do have a couple of jackets, or a jacket here. All right, so with this heated jacket, has basically this cord that's in the pocket here. I'm gonna test out this. Just plug it in right here. Okay, let's test out. This little has this one. Oh, very nice. Cool. You guys can see the light activates there. Hold it down, and that is coming on there. Very cool. So plug it in that one. Not all the jackets have that though, so we get the USB one also. And that should just come on there too. The output. All right, so battery power. There we go. Hold that down. And there we are, working just fine. Okay, let's check out this vest also. Got a little battery powered, battery heated vest. So where's my pocket for this one? Okay, it's on the inside. And this has this little pocket right here. And of course our little cord. So this one doesn't have that little other one like this one does. The DC plug-in. So we're gonna have, it's got a USB-A here. Just plug that in. And there we go. Our light lights up. Of course, these hold down for a little bit. And that comes on and we can change it. So very cool. That just slips right into your pocket right there. It's kind of a good size one, and 30,000 mAh. It's going to last a long time. You could charge your, man, I wish I had my other phone with me. Let me try to find a phone that I can charge it here real quick. Okay, so plugged in this phone right here. You can see it's charging up, so that is cool. Once again, plug it in, and there we go. So, whether you need to power your heated jacket, vest, whatever power thing you have, it's very nice. If you haven't experienced like a heated vest or jacket before, they're pretty cool. Like, I mean, not cool as in, yeah, you guys know what I mean. They're pretty warm. So, this is very handy. Like I said, it goes right in your pocket there. So it's going to keep your things nice and warm and toasty while you're out in the cold. Also, you can charge your phone if you need to. So it's very handy to have one of these around. 30,000 mAh. Of course, you're going to be able to charge 4,000 for my Samsung. So about 7 times you're gonna be able to charge your devices. So that's nice. So plenty of power in there at a decent size here too. So anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this unboxing and review. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day out there, and I will see you guys all next time.